We have a dinosaur in a workshop. Uh-oh. What's up guys, Kamil here. In today's video we are working on the workshop. Train. So this is the environment we have at the moment, and the only thing that comes to my mind when improving it is like, first step, I need to make a workbench, and to do that I bought a little bit of steel, which is right there, and I'm gonna cut it, weld it, make myself my first workbench. It's gonna be a dope design because I'm very good at it. So I had this theory, this is a mosquito spray. I have this theory that they want to take over the world because there's so many of them around here that it's impossible that they are not planning something big. Oh shit! Holy shit! I gotta show you something. We have a dinosaur in a workshop. I don't know what to do in such situations. I've never seen I don't know what it's called in English, so I'm gonna say jaszczurka. So I've never seen any jaszczurka in like a workshop in a closed area. I wanna take it out, but I'm afraid it's gonna try to run and die in the process, so I'm gonna be very calm to save its life because I'm a good guy. Hey little guy, I'm gonna be nice to you, don't you worry. This is bad place for you. I don't know how to act amongst dragons. That's like my first encounter, man. Okay, Dragon is released. Now we are going back to our program, which is building a workbench. Let's start with cutting. See, right now I'm walking around looking for glasses to protect my eyes, and I cannot do that because everything is a mess. And that's why I'm building workbench, so I can start organizing stuff. And by the way, I had a question under one of my videos. How do you organize your workplace? I don't. I'm just starting doing this right now in this video. So keep your fingers crossed for me so I don't lose my sight, don't lose my eyes, fingers, or anything else, because I don't want to. But we are building this. He did some mistakes, should be a bit taller. And this is why I cut it on an angle like that, so I can flip it, like rotate the other half and connect it and make a square, because I want the like sides to be square, and we'll see how it's gonna work. I don't know, it's like practicing, it's going to be my first fabrication, so I'm super excited, even though it's just a workbench. Found the glasses. It's all just a big experiment, really. I have very low expectations regarding the squares, and I don't know. I don't know. Let's just see, and let's just go for it and see how it's gonna work. You know, I'm stressed because I talk too much. Let's flatten those welds and see if I penetrated the metal. Some of you may think that I should actually start by cutting everything and then welding, but I'm a very impatient person and I wanted to see how well I'm doing right now, if I can improve something in the process. One side is not penetrated, which is I built the weld on top of the connection. I could have just split a little the difference between metals, like split them a little further away, and then I would have a then it would be better to work with, but I didn't. Now I know it. See, that's why I did it right now. I know my videos are not the best quality mainly because I don't have a workbench right now. I do everything on the floor, which looks terrible. I'm doing this because I know that with workbench, I can improve the quality of my videos. I can show you things a lot better because I won't have to show it to you on the floor, which is pretty devastating that you need to look at it. I hope you'll stick with me until I get this place fully to what I want it to be, and then we will have amazing quality, hopefully, videos, and you will enjoy them a lot more and I will enjoy making them a lot more, which should also make them pretty interesting. Okie dokie, first part of the frame is done. Now I have to repeat everything to make a second one. It's stronger than it needs to be, probably. I could have done it from 2 by 2 centimeters square, but I did it from 2 by 3 just because I think it's gonna look better. It's only first version of the workbench. I will probably make more versions like Mark II, Mark III, so we will see, but yeah, right now I will just skip to the time when I have second, not square, it's something like square. It's actually, I didn't tell you, it's 80 centimeters by 50 centimeters prostokąt. And I need second one. Okay, they are not perfectly identical, but they are close enough so I can do it. I made one mistake. I cut one pipe too short, about half a centimeter. I had to build it up with the welds and it looks terrible. Ugh. But that doesn't matter because we can put it this side up and then you won't be able to see it from under the bench, the countertop. So right now I need to connect those two pieces. I will use a 2 by 2 square pipe to connect on the top of one on the one side and on a little bit on the back on the other. I will show you in a second, you will see it. That welding took me like 3 hours to get it done. I'm in the shade, whatever. Now this corner needs to be cleaned up a little so I can put my new workbench here. Obviously the countertop needs to be bolted to the frame, but just to see it, I put it here. I couldn't be happier. It's like, it's just a workbench, but for me it's like a workbench. So we have a workbench. There's gonna be more things like this, and it's just absurdly cool. I am super excited. Few more things that I have to do, like finish the compact and refurbish the starter, do few small things in my car, and then it's all golf. I've been waiting for this for 2 years. Honestly, when I started this channel, this was supposed to be all about golf, but somehow my dailies keep breaking. So I need to build another workbench. I need to clean this mess, make some system shelves, and then we are going very strong on the golf. Hope you are excited as I am, because for me, it's a dream come true. See you in the next one. Bye.